Welcome. So today I want to discuss a couple of new features for ALEAPP and iLEAPP. The first one is module selection. So if you want to parse your images, you don't have to always parse every single artifact. You can select which one you want. And the second one is timelining. I owe a lot of that timelining idea and implementation to Sarah Edwards and her fantastic Apollo scripts. Where you can see the artifacts in relation to each other based on a key timestamp. So let's show you that. I'll be remiss if I don't mention Oleg Forensics and Yogesh Khatri for helping with the implementation and pretty much coding the implementation of the module selection, which I will show you now. All right, so I'm running ALEAPP. And you will see here first on the left all the modules that are supported by the scripts, right? You can deselect and select a few as you need, or just go with all of them, right? And this is pretty useful if you're in a hurry to get something, or you're doing testing on an artifact that you're creating. This is one way of really speeding out that process. Okay, so thanks to again to Yogesh and Oleg for developing and refining this functionality, which I like quite a lot. Okay, as always, to do your parsing, you're gonna select the image, the extraction that you're interested in, and you're gonna indicate to the script where you're gonna put that output. So I'm gonna use the creatively named output directory for my output, and I'm gonna let it run. Okay. This particular image takes like 1.5 minutes for processing, and after processing, the report will open as expected, and within the report folder you will find the your timeline. So while that's going, I'm gonna go to a pre-made one that I had. This is the one that's currently running there. So I'm gonna open this one. This one's already done. So to get to your timeline, you're gonna look for this directory here, _timeline. And when you open it, you're gonna see the TL timeline .db, and this is a SQLite database. So if we open this with our SQLite Explorer, we have a table called data, and if we look at that data, you will see here a series of different artifacts like events. So it will tell you the key date, it will tell you when the event happened, it will tell you the type of activity it is, and this is useful so you can correlate it back to the report that the tool provides for you. And then the data that's attached to it, like here is device startup or whatever you need. This is really useful in the following way. Let's say we want to look at a particular set of events within some days. Okay, so in this example, the only thing you need to do is do a select query for it. So I'm gonna select all because I want everything, right? Select all from data, which is our table, right? All right, and we're gonna say okay, where key, that's where the column that has the timestamps, where key is between, right, between what? Let's see here, 2020 01 29, and I'm gonna be super specific. I'm gonna put the hour, okay, and 2020 02 14. Oh, sorry, 14, right? And 22 hours and 1 second, and 1 minute and 11 seconds. Okay, and I wanna order by the key, which is where the timestamp is. Okay. As I'm doing that, the report that was running is completed. Like I said, 1.5 minutes. And hit OK, it opens the report for you to see. Okay. Back to the timelining. So we're gonna execute this query, and you'll see here now all the events in order and how they're related to each other, right, within those dates, which is super awesome. So, for example, here you can see Google Play searches, and it was looking for Imgurs, an application to kind of share images online. Okay, and if you go here and you look at well-being events, you see a foreground services start, and different activity and notification that comes in based on the downloads bundle ID. But this one's pretty interesting. You see here an install apps library, and then a mirror impact in another database for the apps vending. And you will see here is Imgur, and you can see also a little bit of a description of what it is. Okay. So notice how you can see that something was searched, right? And then it was installed, right? And what was installed. And this is pretty useful, as you can see 2, 3, 4, 5 different events all working together in creating a picture of what was happening at the phone at that time. Okay. So hopefully this is something that will assist you in your usage and your investigations. Any questions, any comments, feel free to hit me at Twitter at Alexis Brignoni, email, and see you next time. Thank you so much.